In this video, we're excited to walk you through the brand new Big Picture navigation designed to make your work faster, clearer, and more intuitive than ever before. Let's start with the new homepage. It serves as a central entry point where you can create project boxes and objectives, quickly access modules, and pin your most used modules to the top navigation bar. Below that, you'll find a list of the most recent boxes you visited and 2 reports, boxes by status and OKRs by status. Finally, you'll see a list of boxes that you can filter by all, starred, or assigned to you. Let's open one of the boxes. With a refreshed layout, you'll spend less time clicking around and more time managing strategy, delivery, and outcomes. The new navigation puts your most important tools front and center so you can stay focused and in control. Say goodbye to the old module switcher. Your enabled modules are now in a convenient left-hand vertical menu. If you need maximum workspace, collapse the side menu. Need it back? Expand it with a single click. Navigating between levels of your portfolios and projects is also easier. Use the box switcher to switch to a different box, or use the breadcrumbs to jump to a higher level box. To return to the main box, click Main. The box status is displayed next to the box name at the top. To return to the homepage, click Big Picture in the top left corner. On the right, the wrench icon gives you immediate access to your global and personal settings. You have 2 quick ways to open the box configuration, either under the wrench icon or using the dedicated box configuration button just below the module list. That's all. The new Big Picture navigation delivers a streamlined and intuitive experience.